Hey everyone, Jacob Mast here, and today we're going to do something that's just a little bit different. Going to take a look at some new motorcycle gear that came in that should help make commuting by bike just that much easier. Now I love motorcycles. I'd taken one from DC all the way out to California just to pick up an engagement ring. Well, she said that she wanted to rock from out west, so this is what we're thinking. We'll see what she says, and hopefully she likes it. And while I was able to go through and strap on a month's worth of gear just so I could make that trip possible, commuting to and from work each day just it's not the same. I wanted to have something that's quick and easy to attach to the bike without the levers and straps that would hold it in place. And I didn't want to use a backpack because, well, I like the freedom of being without one. And lastly, the thing has to look good too. So, enter pack animal. I'd never heard of this company before seeing their ads on Instagram, and even after looking around for reviews or details about their products, slim to nothing. Still, those ads worked, showcasing the quality and care the company was putting into those products. And it emphasized that these guys actually just cared about motorcycling. They were in it for the community, not to make money. And so I spent my money on buying one. And that said, this is not a paid review, but actually just something that's going to cost me money to do. Still, it's important to do. And that said, let's get into it. Alright, let's open up this box and see what we have. A couple of nice little stickers. And where are these? Some cards showing their stuff. Bet you these are business cards. Yep. Alright, pull back the wax paper and, oh hey, look, instruction sheet. That's awesome. And, oh, care instructions. Nice. Okay, what else? Oh, some nice cloth bags that hold the mounting straps. Very nice. Alright, now let's take this bag out and get a good look at it. Oh wow, that is very nice. Very nice. Okay, let's undo these straps and actually look inside. None of their ads show what the inside looks like, and I know I, for one, am curious. Ooh. Look at that. Laptop pouch, a couple of pin pockets, nice waterproof lining. That's wow. Okay, we got pockets on the outside, and oh hey, look, there's the shoulder strap. Like I said, I wanted something that's going to be easy to carry on and off bike, and this will definitely do it. Let's see what else. Hey, nice. Ooh, that's a good sized pocket. Probably hold my registration or some other type of documents there. That's probably good. Okay, roll this back up. I like this bag. Alright, and so I love that this is just a nice clip system. Just goes clip and clip. And there we go. Now we have a nice bag that, like I said, I can easily just carry with me off the bike, hands-free, and don't have to worry about it. This is really nice. Like, even this front pocket has a nice, size to it. This is money well spent. Alright, let's buckle this back up and put it on the bike. Now I've already taken the seat off, which lets us attach these straps pretty easily. They were kind enough to pre-assemble these to show us how it looks, but to strap that on the bike, we need to take them apart. Now it's a nice buckle system, which lets them come apart easily. And there we go. So we just take it and loop it through. And here, you just loop it through, invert it. And we do the same for the other side. Okay, we then reattach the seat. And we take our cross straps, 1 and 2. And buckle them in. You can take these straps and tuck them in underneath to hide them some and actually make the buckle that much easier to access. One. Well, the new bag's installed. I think it looks pretty nice. Now let's see how it rides. Alright, go on and hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.